Good morning, people. So it's day 2 in Laos and we are here at the Vientiane railway station. We're about to go get a train from Vientiane to Luang Prabang, which I believe is the old capital of Laos. So that's a 2-hour train. Normally, if you were to get the bus, it takes 7 to 8 hours to get there. I don't have that time to waste, so we're about to jump on that train. I will see you over there. So this is first class on trains. I'm not gonna lie, if this is first class on trains there, I'd hate to see what second class looks like. AF, AC, AF. I got a window seat. Yeah, we got a window seat. Bang. Got my running shoes on because I knew I was gonna be walking a lot today. How do these lock into place though? Is that? These don't lock into place? What was the point in that then? Oh well. Well, this is Vientiane train station. So yeah, 2 hours to Luang Prabang, and we'll go check out that waterfall. Nice. Hopefully nobody's sat next to me. I can't be arsed. I want my space. So 2 hours later, we are now here in Luang Prabang. Now I need to get a taxi from here to the waterfall, which is another hour. So yeah, today is a lot of traveling. But man, well, that was a nice and smooth journey. Look how crazy it is to get out of this train station. Let me out. Jesus, man, it's actually chaos here. There is so many people here. Right, I'm gonna order my taxi before they get fully booked by everyone here. So yeah, I will see you over at the waterfall. So I bought that selfie stick yesterday and it's actually come in handy today. Yeah, it's definitely come in handy today. I'm actually happy that I bought it. So we are now here at Kuang Si Waterfall.
旁边是卫生间，要去卫生间的抓紧去一下。
What she said. Hello. One, please. One is 60,000. Thank you. So we are through. Oh, how do we check the tickets here? Thank you. Then we get like these shuttle buses that takes you to the start of the hike, and then yeah, and we start hiking, I guess. Getting on back here. I guess I'm getting on back here. So everyone seems to have came here on like a group through all these shuttle buses and stuff. Obviously I got a taxi from the train station, so yeah, I think I've gone the alternative route on how to do this. Oh my god. The roads here are not good at all. Like the whole way here, it was just pothole galore. It's just crazy. Let's go find this waterfall. This place is exactly what I needed. I needed some nature, I needed some peace. Obviously after my camera getting stolen. I don't know what it was, just losing my camera, getting it stolen, that really put me in a bad headspace. So yeah, I think something like this is exactly what I need to just get back on the right track mentally. This is like a self-care day for me. Self-care. This is like a reset. I'm fully just winging it. I have no clue where I'm going. I didn't look at the map. What do you need a map for? All you got to do is listen. Just listen. If you listen carefully, you can hear the waterfall. That's all you got to do. You just got to. Oh my god! Wait, I don't even know this. Yo, there's bears here. Look at this. Oh damn. That was a really nice surprise. I didn't know there was bears here. So yeah, that was great for me to just, I literally looked to my right and I was like, wait, that's a bear. I was like, what's going on there? But I think we're getting closer to the waterfall. I can hear it. This is meant to be one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world. Oh wow. Oh, I can already tell I'm going to enjoy this. I can already tell I'm going to enjoy this. So you got a little mini one here. Oh my god, just look at this. Oh my god. That was just the start of it. Look at this. See? That's just the start of it there. Look at all of this. What? This place is insane. Wow. I'm gonna adventure around and get the clips for you guys, and then we're gonna go find somewhere to take a nice dip. This literally doesn't end. You keep going up, up, up and up, and there's like even more of these mini waterfalls that turn into a big one back there. Oh my god, I'm telling you, this has got to be one of the most beautiful spots I've ever been to. Wow. And I didn't expect that to be in Laos. Oh my God. Look at this. This is the big one I was talking about at the top of the height. This is unreal. That is insane. Oh my God. I'm gonna set up for a shot right here. Got really wet trying to get those shots. But we got them. We got them for the gram. Right now, we are trekking to the top of the waterfall. So the waterfall's over there. Let me show you quickly. The waterfall's over there. And for whatever reason, I decided it was a good idea to come up here. So let's go have a look what's up there. Good feeling. There's not going to be a lot of people up here because people are lazy. Who wants to hike through the jungle? Is it worth it? Really?
But if you go back now, I think it's better to go there.
Okay.
And on the top, there is an amazing place to swim.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's going to be worth
10
it.
minutes. 10 minutes.
10 minutes and I'll be there. Thank you. Wow. So they just told me at the top, 10 minutes is a beautiful spot to swim. It better be worth it. Oh wow. Okay, maybe it was pretty. Oh, that's obviously the waterfall there. And then this is that, what everyone's been talking about. I've had to take my t-shirt off because it's so hot. That's actually ridiculous. But I'm just following a sign now. Underneath it said the restaurant and spring water. So let's go find that. Oh, that scared me, bro. I'm just on this path here. No clue where it goes to. But we're just adventuring, right? So that's the whole point of getting lost. I've been trekking through this jungle area for maybe like 20 minutes now. And apparently there's a restaurant out here, but look at this. There's nothing behind me. There's nothing in front of me. And apparently there's a restaurant up here. So I met these really cool French guys. Yeah, let's go. We were trying to find a restaurant together and we finally found it. Oh, look at that. Wow. There's somewhere to swim. I'm so happy. That smells good. You guys eating?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's eat then, man, if you guys are gonna eat. Yo. You come here and you follow the signs, and it says 3 kilometers. It is not 3 kilometers. It is way longer than that. I'm telling you, it is way longer than that.
Yeah, Pimong from Chinese, Pimong from from Thailand. This one, Chile.
Thank you. Look at this. Just having this beautiful meal with my new friends in the middle of nowhere. I don't even know where I am right now. There's no signal up here or anything. But let's dig in.
You want to try?
I'm good, man. It's too hot for that. Is it hot?
Dear Lao, you pay. Chinese.
Chinese no pay.
King. Go back. Luang Prabang, hotel from Chinese.
Okay.
Restaurant from Chinese. Taxi from Chinese. Lao, zero money.
Okay, just Chinese.
Yeah, that's true. That's
You
true
come,
actually.
Okay, you can pay everywhere. You can stay. You can beg. You can bring.
Yeah.
Good Chinese. No.
No. Just for you guys.
Yeah. But I give for the sister from the waterfall and move stay here.
Okay.
And then you look come.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
good. It's chill.
I noticed that, when I was coming through Luang Prabang, every business is Chinese.
Ah, yeah?
Yeah, like all the hotels, they're all Chinese owned. They all have Chinese, they have a Mandarin writing on the signs. And I was thinking, like,
sucks.
why? I know, because he's right. I gathered what he's trying to say. Like, the Chinese come here and basically take all the money from the locals,
Yeah.
which is kind of sucks for them, man.
In Indonesia, we
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oxygen.
like to buy lands. You have to be Indonesian.
That's good.
Like
See them? Yo, look at them. He said, take away. So yeah, we just finished lunch. Went for a quick dip. I need to try and slowly make my way back down this place because I need to catch my train at 6:45. Because if I miss my train, I'm stuck here. So that's not good. And the only way back will be the bus, and the bus is 7 hours. So we don't want that. So, is that the cave there? There you go. Wow.
Nino, you want the Buddha?
Where's the Buddha?
There, bro, behind.
Ooh, I nearly slipped.
Careful. Man,
What is this? Oh, wow.
That is a hole, bro.
These Buddhas in the cave. This is the end? Yeah, look at this guy.
Careful, guys.
This is freaky, man. Whoa!
Wow, bro, it's bigger here.
Yo, it's really slippery there, bro.
oh my god.
Oh, bro, I've got running shoes on. Yeah, he's in Crocs.
Here too.
There's a Buddha there
Oh,
too.
il y a plus de route, j'espère. Hein. J'espère pas, frère. I hope there's just one road. Imagine being stuck.
No.
Oh, he's got a better light than us. Hello. I need that light. Right, I need to make my way back down. Oh, this way is much better, huh? Oh, this is so much easier. He's still here. He's waited the whole time for me, man. Oh, been here for like 4 or 5 hours, and he's been here the whole time, like just waiting, man. What a guy, man. This is my friend. Well, he's the one who brought me here from the train station, man. Wow. So we are cutting this tight. From here to the train station, it's like an hour and a half. So it's gonna leave me 15 minutes to obviously get out the taxi, get into the train station, check in, and get onto my train. If I miss this train, it's an 8-hour bus ride home. And it's already 6 p.m. So the last thing I want to do is be traveling overnight back to Vientiane. Come on, let's go. Oh, man. So my driver's got me here, man. This guy's been such a legend today, so I've tipped him. I gave him a bit extra, but what a legend, man. He's stayed and waited for me for 5 hours whilst we were at that park. So this is a really good guy, man. Really good guy. And he supports Arsenal. Yeah. There you go, man. But yeah, let's go catch this train before I miss it. So we are now back at Vientiane railway station. Man, what a good day. I didn't expect it to be that good, you know. I'm happy I bumped into the homies from France. But yeah, we had a really good day swimming in the waterfall. That's why I nearly missed my train, because we were just enjoying our time. But yeah, I've done everything I want to do in Laos now, so I think it's time to head out of it, guys. I don't know where we're gonna go next, but I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I'm sorry about the quality again, because obviously the camera was stolen, but I'll be getting a new one soon. So better quality, better audio, but for now, just bear with me. So yeah, but anyway, like I said, I'm done in Laos, so I will see you on the next one. Let's go.